Assalamualaikum. I'm so very pleased to have you guys back on my channel. I know you are seeing this face after almost a month, I think, but I was willing to upload some of my travel vlogs, but then I don't know, I misplaced most of my videos. So now I'm like, I just don't want to, upload half of the vlogs where there is no proper storyline or a continuation. So I thought to drop it all. Initially I was sitting down to actually एडिट इट, बट देन वही हो रहा था कि मुझे टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था. मैंने बहुत कुछ एडिट भी की थी, बट देन I don't know, it just got deleted, few of them got misplaced, and now it's all such a messed up situation. So I thought, let's just film something else, and so here I am. So basically in today's video I will be sharing with you guys a skincare kit that's very beginner friendly, not just in terms of ingredients but also in terms of money. So here's all the products that I will be sharing with you, right? So basically I have a few face washes, few moisturizers, sunscreens, lip balms, and two of the miscellaneous products. Now you would be wondering why so less of the products or categories, you can say. That is majorly because first thing, I use a very 3 to 4 step skincare method, skincare products, right? I'm so sorry about that. And second thing, if you are a beginner, I don't think you should indulge yourself into 7-step or 10 steps skincare routines until and unless your dermat has suggested you, or until and unless it's a requirement of your skin, right? So let's begin. So first have to be the categories of face washes, and for that I have this first face wash. This one is from Nykaa Natural. So Naturals is a range of Nykaa products wherein you can get skincare related products of theirs. This one is lavender and chamomile calming face wash. Now this comes, I think I will write down the quantity of the product and also the amount of money that it comes for somewhere on the screen itself. Now talking more about this product, that is the face wash. So basically I've used multiple tubes and all of them with a different variant. This one is lavender and chamomile variant. It's really refreshing on your skin. It's also not drying, non-drying you can say, but if you have a dry skin, I would suggest it's not really for you, because a slight dryness is there, but then it doesn't last very long, right? It also have this tingling sensation which could be masked as dryness of your skin. I don't know, there's a fine line between both, right? So it's on that fine line basically. The sensation of this face wash, of course it's a face wash, so it cleans your face and it gives you a very soothing calming effect as well. इसके और भी variants आते हैं. If you want to try them, you can try those as well. I have used haldi and honey as well. I think neem wala bhi kuch aata. I have tried that as well, and I think I have pretty much to love all of these. And I think I have already talked about this product, and in today's video there are certain products that I have already spoken about in some different videos of mine. But then again, this is a skincare kit wala video which is beneficial for beginners, and also it is on budget. Now the second product in the face wash category is this one. It's from Dermaco. Now this one is 2% of salicylic acid and niacinamide. It is an anti-acne face wash. Though I don't have acne, but then again I repurchased it. This is I think my third or fourth tube, and I love using these when I am having a slight breakouts, or you can say slight bumps here and there on my face. So I think it's really gentle, and again it's a great product for the price range if you want to speak of. And I think, yeah, if you have an acne prone skin or you want something that's gentle on your skin, I think you should definitely go for it. Now the third and the last product in the category of face washes is this one from this Simple. Now you must have already heard a lot about this product. I very recently started using this one. This is my second tube, and it is not only used by me but my whole family for that matter. Ignore the background noises. Amma is in the kitchen, so you might be hearing multiple voices, but I'm really sorry about that. Any which ways, coming back to the product, so you get a real good quantity. This one is 150 ml for I think around 400 rupees. I think it's a steal deal at this price, and it's very much similar to the Cetaphil when it comes to the gentleness, you can say, because I have used Cetaphil long back. But now when I use this one, the other day I recalled it and I was like, yeah, the gentleness of the face wash is very much relatable to the Cetaphil one. Of course, the Cetaphil one is a slightly more gentler than this. So if you don't like that, because it's also non-forming, right, so then you can definitely try this one. It's again a non-forming kind of face wash, but then again it's very gentle on your skin. It has what does it has? It has pro amino acids, which is basically really good and gentle for your skin, and it feels really refreshing. So yeah. Now moving on to the second category, that is a moisturizer. So for the first moisturizer I have here the Foxtail. Now this brand has been on a rise and I am a loyal customer, you can say, to this brand. I have been using multiple products from Foxtail for some time now, and this moisturizer is really soft and gentle and also non greasy on your skin. It does not feel heavy at all. Now this one has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and cocoa butter, and it suits all skin types. It is really gentle on your skin. Let me just see. It's not a very creamy texture, but it's also not a very gel based kind of texture. It has in between, you can say, and it gives you a very good nourishment and moisturizing skin for a very long time, you can say. So I think again it's under the budget and you get a very good quantity of the product under the budget. So I think it's really great. It doesn't have any smell, and I think that is true for all the Foxtail products, but then I don't complain. I think I love products that do not have a very heavy scent to them, because then I think majorly it starts irritating my skin. So I think this is a very good product and you should have one. You can use this across all the seasons in India. Now for the second product under the category of moisturizers is this one, Requil or Requil, however you want to pronounce it. So now again this is one of my winter favorites. I have repurchased it this winter. It's my second tube. Last year I tried this product and I fell in love, so I have to repurchase it this winter again. Now it has ceramides and hyaluronic acid in it. It also has mango seed butter. Because of that it smells heavenly. Wow, it just smells so good. It's a thick moisturizer. It's really a thick moisturizer. Today I am wearing the same one, so it's really thick, and because of the thickness it really protects your skin from drying, and it gives you that long moisturizing wear. See, it's really thick on your skin, so it might feel sticky to some people, but if you have a non-oily skin, I think you should definitely go for it. And if your skin feels really dry during the winters, I think it's the best product as a moisturizer that you can include under the budget. Now moving on to the next category, that is the sunscreen. Again for the sunscreen I have Foxtail sunscreen. As I said, I am loving their products very much recently. So this is Golden Hour Glow Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA++. It has vitamin C and also niacinamide, and again it is suitable for all skin types. Now let me tell you, I have used multiple bottles of this, ट्यूब्स ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट. आई हैव ऑलरेडी रीपर्चेस्ड इट फ्रॉम नायका, क्योंकि भाई साहब ये बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है. आई डोंट नो हाउ, इट्स नॉट दैट आई एम ईटिंग इट, बट ये बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है. एंड आई रियली रियली इंजॉय यूजिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट. सो इट गिव्स यू दैट good glow, and it is also non greasy, non sticky. It doesn't leave any white cast, and the blendability of this sunscreen is wow. So you already know how I love this sunscreen. So I think this is a best product under the budget in sunscreen category. I think I already have lot of product on this hand, so yeah. But if you see it over here, you will be able to see that it blends really really well and does not leave white cast. It's not thick, and it's more like a gel based sunscreen, but not really a gel sunscreen, you can say. Look at that, the glow that you can see. Yeah, it actually gives you that glow. Today I am wearing this same sunscreen as well. Now under the budget, I do have another sunscreen. This is from La Shield or LA Shield, however you want to call it, and again it has SPF 50 PA++, and there are multiple ingredients in it, but nothing as a highlighted ingredient over here. But then it says it's a mineral sunscreen, and if you are an old follower of mine, you would know that I have loved this sunscreen and I still love it. And I think this is the only sunscreen that I have used till date. And mineral sunscreens are mostly pricey in the market, but this one I don't know for what reasons, ये आपको हमेशा 200 की रेंज में मिल जाएगा, या तो नायका या तो अमेज़ोन पे. लाइक बेसिकली यू कैन गेट इट ओवर द काउंटर एज वेल, क्योंकि मैंने मेरी केमिस्ट शॉप्स पे देखा है इसे. बट एनी विच वेज इट्स अ रियली गुड सनस्क्रीन, गिव्स यू दैट ग्लो एज वेल, एंड इट डज स्टिंग्स योर eyes, and it does takes a little bit time to get absorbed and totally blend into your skin. But once it's blended, the kind of glow it gives, it's a different level of glow, and it does stings your eyes. So just be cautious while using this sunscreen. But if you want something that's a mineral sunscreen and also on budget, I think this is a perfect sunscreen, and I think it is suitable for all skin types. Now moving on to the next category, that is the lip balms category, and one of my favorite category, and I have multiple options in here. I do have other options as well that I have not included in here, but then a few of them are I am still trying on them, and I wanted to present you guys lip balms that are budget friendly but also works really well, because I have used certain lip balms which are tinted, but then they don't provide you the hydration for longer duration. So I didn't want to waste your money at the same time. First lip balm is again from Nykaa Naturals, and this is their not tinted wala variant, and I have used multiples of this lip balms. It's really under 100 at times, and this one is I think peach wala flavor hai. I have used pineapple या pina colada करके आता है that. I've used some other flavors as well, but ये वाला मैंने 3-4 bottles ख़त्म की थी. It's really hydrating, and you can see that I have, like, it's almost done. I have actually reordered as well because I really love using these lip balms on days when nothing's working on my skin, but this does work on my skin really well, and it comes in a lot of variants, so you have lot of options to choose from. Now this second lip balm is from Swiss Beauty. So basically I have used two of their variants, the cocoa one and the strawberry, I think. This is the cherry one. Very recently I have purchased this and I am still trying it out, but I have loved this one. It looks really chic on your lips, as if you have not applied anything, but your lips are very hydrated, and it does provide a good hydration for 4 to 5 hours, you can say. Again, this comes in a pink, like as a pink ho jata hai, and it does looks really good on your skin. So also it's really thick. Let me just try it on and show you guys. It's really thick, and it has this olive oil. maybe because of that it's really thick, and I think everybody at my place loves this. So now you can see it's good, like it's really nourishing. I love these lip balms. Now last but not the least for this category is again a foxtail lip balm. I told you guys I love this brand. Okay, so I have used their other lip balm as well. It was a tinted lip balm, but I don't know, for some reason I think they have discontinued it या क्या हो गया उसका मुझे कहीं पे भी नहीं मिल रहा था. So then I went ahead with this one because I really missed using that lip balm. The only drawback is, okay, so this lip balm basically also provides you SPF 30. It has peptides and vitamin C plus hyaluronic acid. So again it's a great option under the budget, but the only drawback of this lip balm is it's really sweet, like very sweet. It to taste मुंह में भी चला जाता है, so you can understand it's really sweet but smells so good. It has this vanilla smell to it, and it does stays on your lips for so long. Among the previous two options, I think this one stays really long on your lips for around 4, 5 or maybe like 6 hours if you're not eating or drinking anything, and it does really heal your chapped lips. I know there are so many other options in the market, you can try those as well, but under the budget if you talk, I think this one is a great option at the moment if you are a beginner to certain things. Let me just try this as well for you guys. I have very recently started, so it's a clear glaze, basically you won't be able to see anything. I don't know, let me just see, here you go. So it's a really thick lip balm, stays on your lips for so long and gives that proper nourishment to your lips. Lastly, I have two miscellaneous products, and this is because we are making a kit for beginners, right? So here I have Aroma Magic's scrub, and basically this is their mineral glow scrub which reduces fine lines and brightens and remineralizes your skin, and I think it is for all skin types as mentioned. I have used multiple scrubs in my life so far, but I think this one is my most favorite scrub because the scrubbing particles in it are really minute. They are non-drying, they does not dry your skin afterwards, they do not even irritate your skin, and they scrubs really well. So I tend to use it just once a week. That's how it is also directed to use. I do have very minute bumps and everything, so I use it on weekends, and it really gives me that clear skin, and I really love this one. And again, it's a good product for the quantity and the price that it comes for. Last but not the least, and the second product in the list of miscellaneous products, so this is an under eye cream again from Aroma Magics, and this is their aromatherapy eye care essential under eye cream. It basically nourishes and firms your under eye. I do have a lot of dark circles, they tend to increase and decrease with the amount of stress that I have in my life, but then again this has worked really well for me. And if you are somebody who is looking for under eye cream, I think you should definitely give this a try, because again it's very budget friendly and it lasts you so long. I remember I have purchased this last year and I am still using it. Can you imagine that? And apart from that, it has actually worked really well for me, my skin type. It's a combination one, and also have you know, started getting compliments that, oh, your dark circles have reduced, which is a good thing. Any which ways, I am suggesting you this one because I have also used multiple other eye creams and they did not work. They just were there for a cream, but nothing specially worked, and they would tingle. Even this would tingle very initially, but now I don't think it tingles to me anymore. And yeah, if you want to give it a try, you can definitely give this a try. Yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and do try the products. And if you have certain recommendations, you can definitely comment below so that I can try it later on and see how it's working with me and my skin. I also have my siblings, so any recommendation for oily or you know oily and dry skin, please do drop that as well. That's it for this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, you guys take care of yourself. Bye bye.